Hello again. Out on another adventure, heading into the Taramakau Valley. I'm actually going to be heading up to Lake Kaurapataka. I just crossed the Otira river. It's a great day. It's going to be a fun overnight adventure. It's nice to be back in this area. This is a cool spot. I'm only on the bit of Te Araroa Trail for the initial bit. I'll be branching off soon and we'll be taking the track up to Lake Kaurapataka where I'll be camping for tonight. Yeah, it should be good fun. Hope you guys enjoy the video. This bush is so beautiful. I love the moss covered forest with the down trees and even a few birds. Loving it out here. Only just started. It's good. It's good. Made it to Lake Kaurapataka. It's epic here. So flippin' cool, just surrounded by bush and mountains. It's awesome. It's a bit windy, but it's awesome. Now I'm gonna go for a swim. That was a nice swim. Whew, the water's brisk. Oh, so nice. Just need that sun to come out now. It's pretty windy. But yeah, it'll dry me off quick, so that's good. Loving this. Got the tent set up, relatively sheltered here. We get a little bit of the wind, but it's not too bad. No, it's nice. I'm enjoying it. It's quite nice by the lake here. I'd love to come back when it's real still. That'd also be awesome. But yeah, tucked away in the vestibule here, the sandflies are also enjoying it. Time to get dinner on the go. Getting hungry. For dinner tonight, we've got Go Native chili con carne. I've never had one of these Go Natives before, so I'm looking forward to seeing how it tastes. Also, I'm hungry, so it's probably going to taste good. Alrighty. I think it's hot enough. Find out when I tear into it. Smells good. Tastes good. It would go really good with like some rice or corn chips, or even a tortilla. A tortilla would be really good. Cheers, guys. This is a fun wee trip so far. Well, good morning, guys. The weather's a wee bit iffy. It rained a little bit in the night, and it's just cloudy and overcast now. The forecasts that I checked before I came out here says it's supposed to pack in this evening. So yeah, Be interesting to see how long it holds off for. It was a nice camp last night. Enjoyed it at the lake. It's died down out there now. It's not windy, so it's actually really nice. But yeah, no, should be good. Finally found some Letizius Porentii, or however you say it. So yeah, found a big chunk of this, also known as white punk fungus. It was used by the Maoris and Aboriginal tribes in Australia as a fire starter, tinder, and also ember or coal extender. It's really good for flint and steel. I've used it a couple of times. You can just dry it out. You don't need to process it or boil it or anything like you do Amadou. Yeah, if it's dry and you can get small slivers, then yeah, it just will take a spark from a flint and steel, which is pretty damn cool. So you've got a huge chunk, and I actually knocked another chunk down the hill, so I'm going to try to retrieve that and I'll throw them in the pack. Yeah, super pumped about that. One, that can go in the pack, and two. This one's actually like dry, or a lot drier than the other one. This is on the tree, the other one was on the floor. Yeah, that one's way lighter and a lot drier. Pretty cool. Got that on camera. That was a wee slide. Oh, all good. Otehake River. Looks nice. Heading that way. Alrighty, just crossed the Otira River. Only a couple hundred meters from the car now. It's been a really fun trip. We're gonna have to get back to this area soon and yeah, do some more exploring. But I really hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I've had a great time. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.